Project schedule worksheets can be rather boring by nature. But if I could show you a quick and easy way to turn something like this into something more appealing like this, would you be interested? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a quick way in which to do this without having to go in, manually change, and take a whole lot of time in order to make your worksheet more pleasing to the eye. In this example, we're going to actually apply some formatting to summary tasks and milestone tasks in order to really lift our project schedule sheet. Now to do this, move to your Gantt chart format tab and access text styles, which is there in the left-hand side of your screen. Now it's here where we can apply the changes. So let's say, for example, that we would like to change our summary tasks to match our bars with a nice blue background. How do we do that? Well, we drop down this items to change drop-down menu and we look for summary tasks. And then you can see the color, and then background color, and then background pattern. Now in this example, we're only interested in changing the background color. So we can do this by selecting the color like so. And then maybe to give it a little bit more lift, we might apply some underline to it as well. So to do that, check the underline box and then click OK. And there you have it. Very, very easy. Now we might actually go back and make some changes to that because it is probably darker than what we might like. So we go back and select the summary tasks and then make that perhaps somewhat of a lighter color. Now you can also, while we're here, make some changes to the milestone tasks, and you do that by selecting the milestone task. We might want to put some bold lettering for milestone tasks, and we might change the color of the text, not the background color, the color, to a nice blue color as well. And if we click OK, you can see that our summary tasks are nicely underlined and have a nice shade of blue, which is somewhat similar to our bars, and also our milestone tasks have done the same. Now, if you want to add new milestones or add new summary tasks, you can do that. So we'll add a new milestone. We click 0 days to activate that milestone. There you can see it's also applied the formatting. And in fact, want to see blue all the way through, you can simply add a new task. So a nice way to really lift your project schedules, particularly when you print and share these with others, because when things look good, the chances are that they will attract more attention and your project team will use them to the full. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and please let me know if you have subscribed. I'd love to keep the conversation going.